Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when keep starting on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library and restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search and search software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keeps starting on edge 20 edge 90 fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.